There's a hidden pattern in Persian that makes up 50% of everyday language. If you learn this one word, you don't just learn a single word, you unlock a system. The verb is kardan. It literally means to do, but in Persian, it does so much more. Hi, my name is Hossein. I've been helping people learn Persian for nearly a decade. Now let's get to business. Here's why this verb alone changes everything for you. In English, we juggle different verbs: make a call, take a shower, do homework, set a meeting. In other languages, these verbs might be totally different. But Persian found an easier way. It takes a noun and just adds kardan. Have a look at these verbs. Telefon kardan, to make a phone call. Zendegi kardan. Zendegi is life, and zendegi kardan is to live. Safar, trip. Safar kardan, to travel. Some even have English words within them. Fokus kardan, support kardan, to focus, to support. But I'll be honest here, fokus kardan and support kardan can be used only in specific contexts. There are other verbs for these two in Persian, but it's not a surprise to hear these in the streets every day either. Here's one for you to guess. Gush is ear. What do you guess gush kardan means? To listen. Even modern tech words work the same way. Download kardan, Google kardan. We literally use these verbs. Yeah, really. Now watch how simple it is to use. So let's take telefon kardan. In the past form, it's telefon kardam. I called, if you want to say I did it, for the first person. And in the present form, which is also used for future, you can say telefon mikonam. So kardam, mikonam. Kardam, mikonam. Never forget these two. You hear these every single day inside the streets of Iran. Telefon kardam, I called. Telefon mikonam, I'm calling. Telefon kardam, telefon mikonam. Zendegi kardam, zendegi mikonam. So I could say Canada zendegi mikonam. I live in Canada. Download kardam, film download kardam. I downloaded a movie. Film download mikonam. I'm downloading a movie. Safar kardam. I traveled. Safar mikonam. I travel. I'm traveling, or I'm gonna be traveling. And the same pattern applies to all the other kardan verbs. Now you see the pattern, and at this stage, Persian becomes much easier. This is where most learners go wrong. They see a new language and think, oh, I gotta learn hundreds of new words, hundreds of new verbs. But no, you need patterns. Like kardan, it's a skeleton key. Learn it deeply, and you can make hundreds of new sentences without learning hundreds of new verbs. So here's your actionable takeaway. Stop fearing the verbs and start seeing the patterns. Practice them. This is actually how I teach. Step by step, no overwhelm. If this video helps you, subscribe for more tips. And if you want to learn Persian with me personally or access my complete video lessons, both links are below.